Tonight! Tonight! Oh my god! Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Didn't die. Didn't die. What? What the... Oh! Get the fuck out of here. Doctor. Here, hold on. Let's go. Straight away, we need to find a straight away. Find a bridge. Where's the bridge? Holy shit! No, no, no! They're not. They'll pop up on my side. I think they still have to have the user. Oh god, that's so horrible. Yes, I did. Oh, is it on fire? It is on. Says the dead guy. Oh god. That's too much. Going away from it. All units speak Asian. I believe I can fly. Okay, ready? Oh god! Oh god! I did something horrible. Oh jeez. No, 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 no. I'm fine, I'm fine. Okay, okay.
Sheesh.
Are you okay? Okay. Oh, god. Apparently I can't fly anymore either. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go! How? It doesn't even... Freaking when you did that, on my end at least, it was just like, no, I died. You're still in the air? I died. Wait. You can't be this high up here. You're not serious, are you? Okay. How the... I don't even see you. I spawned. Damn it. I see how this maintains. Holy crap. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Whoa! What was that? Oh jeez. Oh god. My diarrhea. Oh my god, I gotta follow you. Really? Holy shit. Let's see. There was like a fast import. I can follow in your footsteps. Oh Jesus! Oh. That's too much boost. I can't even like. I can't even stay straight. I don't know how you stay straight in yours. There we go. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh my god, what the fuck am I doing? How did I... Oh god. Uh-oh, uh-oh, this is not gonna be good. This is not gonna be good. Oh man, that was crazy. Yeah, let's do it. Jesus Christ. Ow. Did you keep... Yeah. I'm gonna watch you. That's what I think I'll do. Yeah. I'm gonna try to follow you. Yeah, go. You're not gonna even be able to... Yeah. Oh, Jesus. You're spinning around me like a crazy fuck. Oh god, I hear you. No. Then if I kill your car first. Oh shit. Okay. Ready to go up. Time to go up, Sinbad. Oh. Put you down? Yeah, really? Oh, cool. Let's see what happens. Yeah, go ahead. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh. I wish you could have seen that on my side. Oh my god, that was amazing. Okay, I was hovering and I saw your thing leave at the speed of the light, then catch on fire, crash, take out 2 trees, bounce off the ground, and then hit my helicopter, tilting me off kilter and then shoving me into the side of a building and dying. Awesome. I think I fucked up. Because I somehow landed the helicopter underneath the helipad. Ropes attached, I'm in. Okay, go ahead. There you go. Slightly. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Nope. I could almost. Okay, so. Okay, what's gonna happen? Yep. Doing it. No, no, that's on top of me. Okay, where are you going? Okay. You're gonna go behind me, okay. Oh shit. Okay, am I good? Am I good? Okay. Oh, why I hit this ramp, okay. Okay, I'm gonna hit this ramp. Where are you going? Oh, are you tethered? Are you tethered to me? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, blast off! Okay. Do we both boost at the same time? Oh. There. Mine's on. Yeah. 2, 1, go! No. Just gonna launch off at this. Yeah, it's gonna be like a plane. Ready? Well, this is the general direction, but I never end up in the general direction.